In this video, I'm going to show you how I ended up making $7,000 in just one day. And I don't want to talk too much. Let's jump straight into it. I built four websites, maybe around, let's say 5 minutes for each of these websites. And I'm going to show you how I built those websites in 5 minutes. And for this website, I charged $3,000 for the setup fees and $100 for hosting. And this website is free, but the hosting is $497. Just not just the hosting, I'm doing other services as well, which we're going to talk in a minute. And this is an NDIS website. It's free, but $300 hosting fee, and a cleaning business, $3,000 setup fees and $300 hosting fee. And this is the story. And this is not four different clients. These two are same client. They're not two different clients. They're one client. And the same thing with this. They are not two different clients. They're one client. But I've built two different websites for this one each client. So I built four websites to two clients, and they paid me this much money, which is around $7,000. And I'm going to show you the website right now. And let's see. So yeah. So this is my client's old website, old landscaping website. And this is not a website, it's just a gallery. You can't see anything else. And inside, Go High Level. So the Go High Level is the software I build my websites. And I'm going to show you how I do everything in a minute. I just gave the link inside the software, and it built me a well-built website in just few seconds, not even minutes, few seconds. And another thing I wanted to show you is that this is another website, another agency built for my client to steal my client away from me. And you know what I did? I took this link of the other agency website and I put it inside the Go High Level, and I built the exact website. So at the moment, I haven't connected the domain name yet because the other agency have the domain name inside their software. So what I did is I usually have a proper relationship with my clients, so they don't want to ditch me out of nowhere. And that's a good thing for me. Instead of ditching me, he came to me. Instead of paying them the money, he was like, okay, I like you and I still want to work with you, but this website is way better than this website. Can you do something about this? And I was like, I can definitely do something about this. I took the link of this agency's website, I went inside Go High Level and built the same exact website they wanted me, the other agency built for my client. And instead of paying them the money, he paid me the money. And with this, he was trying to branch out. So one is going to be landscaping, just standalone landscaping website business. And another one is high-end design and build, pool, and construction type of high-end things with his landscaping. So he was splitting his business in two different ways. So right now I'm building these two websites, which I will be connecting the domain names probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But I already got the payment for the hosting and the website. And another one is so this is NDIS business who is owned by my client, and this is the website, which looks shitty. It's nothing. So what I did, I took this link, went inside Go High Level, and asked Go High Level to build a good-looking website for the NDIS business. And look at this. This is what the Go High Level builder built for me. Again, few seconds. It's not even minutes, few seconds. The reason why I get the payment and I have a good relationship with my clients is the speed and efficiency. And not just the speed and efficiency, look at the website. And as you can see, look at the website. and the agency website doesn't have all this stuff. I added most of the stuff, like these design pages, about section, services, our process, contact pages, everything. And my client also have a cleaning business. The NDIS business owner also have a cleaning business. And I built a cleaning website with clean and proper structure. And there you go. Again, few seconds. And the reason why I closed both of these clients in a record time and delivered the service in the record time in just one day and got the payment on the same day for everything, the hosting and for the website, for 4 different websites. And this is why I do it. So this is a screenshot of my closing script. So I have a whole list of slides I walk my clients through, which I can't really show this in the video. You can access to this in my community, and if you wanna have access to this, you can either sign up to Go High Level and get this thing by joining the community, or you can join the community straight away. Link is in the description. So this is the software I was talking about, Go High Level's AI Studio, which is you can just prompt anything. It's not just the website. You can prompt website pop-up, you can build funnels, you can build forms, surveys, chatbot, anything. You don't need to, even if you don't want to build it, Go High Level has everything on the back end, but now everything seems aesthetic. Go High Level used to have this clunky kind of UX, but now everything is smooth. It's just one prompt away, and you can just give them a style of screenshot or a link. Go High Level will build it for you with the same exact style. And if you want to have access to this software, I will leave the link in the description for a free trial. And if you sign up with my free trial, you'll get access to my Go High Level community, where you can access the deck. It's not just the deck. You'll also get access to my Facebook ad structure, and if you don't have money to run Facebook ads, I have all the scripts for cold calling, cold DM, cold SMS, cold email, cold walk-ins, everything which you are thinking about while doing the outreach. I have done it everything myself, and you can check it for yourself in my YouTube. I'm not saying that I've done it everything. I have recorded myself doing everything. I've literally walked into a business and pitched my service and closed those clients. And I've cold called 50 to 100 business every single day and booked 5 to 10 bookings every single day. And that's for two to 3 years. It took me 2 to 3 years to put everything together. You can get everything for free if you sign up with my link for Go High Level, or you can straight away join inside the community. Link is in the description. So the point of this video is not just to brag. I just wanted to show you that everything can change in just one day. But it's the one day is not going to happen in your first day. I mean, it took me 3 years to where I am right now. The information I have right now, I've did lots of mistakes, and I learned from those mistakes. And that's what you should do. But if you don't have 2 to 3 years of time wasting everything, and if you don't even know if what you're doing is right to get those clients, and you don't have to do those same mistakes as I've done, so you can learn from my mistakes. Yes, I'm running ads to get clients at the moment, but that doesn't mean that the cold outreach doesn't work, because as you can see, these are my one-on-one coaching members. For example, almost 6,000, and the first client for 1,000, and the first client for 750, 5,000 in monthly recurring revenue, 1,000 pounds. 1,000 pounds is around $1,400, $2,000, 800. So this is just to show you that it works. It works, but you gotta know what you are doing. If you don't know what you are doing, I've been seeing lots of comments on my YouTube saying I did the exact same thing what you're mentioning on the video. Guess what? I'm not showing the 100% everything. The 20 to 10% I leave out of the video. That's what makes the results. But I can't really show everything, because if everyone does the same thing, no one is going to get clients. And that's the only reason I don't really want to show my actual ad campaigns and ad structures or ad creatives. And if you guys copied it, and it's going to ruin my business as well. I don't want to do that. But what I can do is I can help few people at a time. If you want to do everything by yourself, just sign up to Go High Level and get access to my community totally for free, or you can straight away join the community. Both the link is in the description. Or if you don't want to mess around and if you want my personalized one-on-one help, you can click the first link in the description and I can set everything up just so that you can get similar results just like these in the first few weeks. First client in first week. Yes, we are selling free websites, but I have a strategic plan on turning every single clients who are coming through so that I can upsell them and make money with the free website. That's what I do. I've been doing this for 3 years now and I know what I'm talking about. And if you want some help, click the link in the description. And I hope you got some value out of this video, because this is not the usual video I make. And I'm not just showing off. Yes, it's the best day I've had. 7,000 in just one day. Big deal. And I'm gonna it's end of the day, but tomorrow I'm gonna have a lot of fun spending the money, traveling around, and I hope you guys do that as well. Make some money, leave your country, travel around. And that's the only reason I'm doing this monthly recurring revenue business model, where I don't need to be stressing about how I get my next client the next month. I hope you got some value out of this video. I hope you get some clients with your own agency. And yes, if you need some help, all the link is in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.